Hello and welcome. This is the Gshock GA-110 and I'm going to show you how to change your daylight saving time mode on this watch. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that's the mode when the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep. And there it is. Once there, press the mode button once. And now we are in the position of setting our daylight saving time mode. To shuffle it between on or off, press the lower right button. And as you can see, I'm shuffling between daylight saving time mode on or off. I'm gonna leave it at off. To implement the setting, simply press the adjust button once, and we are back at the standard timekeeping mode. Thank you very much for watching. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.